Hey, and welcome to Lesson 5 of Waitlist for WooCommerce. Advanced features and privacy settings. In this video, I'll show you how to use advanced features and privacy settings in a waitlist for the WooCommerce plugin. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Products tab and click on Waitlist. First, let's enable opt-in options for user consent. Under Display Options, enable Display Opt-in for new users. This shows a checkbox for logged-in users to agree to the account creation. Next, enable Display Opt-in for registered users. This shows a checkbox for logged-in users to agree to email notifications. You can also enable Double Opt-in. This sends a confirmation email to the user before adding them to the waitlist. Now, let's display the waitlist elements on the Product Archive page. In the same settings, enable Show Waitlist Elements on the Shop page. This lets the user join or leave waitlist directly from the Shop page or category pages. Now let's talk about personal data handling. If you enable Force Account Creation, user emails are stored in the default user table. If you disable, emails are stored in the waitlist metapost table. Once the settings are added, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now click on the Account and Privacy tab. Now go to Account Erasure Requests. Choose whether to retain or remove waitlist data when deleting a user's personal data. Once the settings are added, scroll down and click on Save Changes. And that's it. You have now learned how to use advanced features and privacy settings in the Waitlist plugin. This wraps up Waitlist for WooCommerce. For more plugins, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.